Hi guys, are you interested in owning a fun house that's a 2-minute walk to the beach in Costa Rica and that actually pays for itself as a vacation rental? If so, smash that like button, follow our channel. We're gonna see Casa Luna, my brand new exclusive listing. Follow me. Hi everyone, welcome to my newest exclusive listing. This is Casa Luna. We are in Playa Potrero in Costa Rica, and I'm bringing this to the market and I'm super excited. So, where are we? 2 minutes walking in this direction. You're at the calm beach of Playa Potrero in the Guanacaste region. You can actually walk to the brand new Flamingo Marina from this house. I would say it's about a 15 to 20 minute walk along the beach, which is really, really nice. Great location, and you're literally 2-minute walk to all of the restaurants in the area. So we're really excited. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home. Let's start with this amazing pool because it's phenomenal. First of all, the color is amazing. I think it's so beautiful, and it's bi-level. So I love that when you can lounge in this shallow section, or if you can take a swim in the deeper part, really nice for relaxation. I also love the fountain here and that nice rock wall. That's such a great feature. And you have an outdoor barbecue, a little rancho out there. So this is such a fun house. I really, really love it. And I want you to see, so this is where you would come in the home, and this is like the carport area. So you pull right in here, rain or shine, to unload your groceries. You're always protected from the rain, and that's the only bad weather we have here because there's no snow. Also, I want to point out as we explore this home that I walk, in this area and run in this area in the mornings, and I am a testament, like 50 meters, if that, in this direction, monkeys always come to visit. So you have really good neighbors, because I think it's so cool to have a troop of monkeys on their rotation right next to the house. And the vacationers love this house because it's fun. Ping pong table, exhibit number 1 on Fun House. My husband and I were already playing some ping pong this morning. He took me to school, but that's okay. It was still a lot of fun. Another thing I love is all this covered area. You've got 3 fans out here. As you can see, we have the Papagayo winds right now, so it's nice and breezy anyway. But if we don't have those breezes, it's nice to know we have those fans in the area. I love this. I think this sectional is so perfect for this space. Really nice. On game day, you can watch the game and all the fun beach toys and ping pong and everything's in here. Also love this flooring, this weathered plank. Really nice. Just an easy home. Very cool. Come on in. You have dual sliding doors. I love the layout of this home, and our vacationers love it and our clients love it. Look at the size of this kitchen. Really huge, you guys. New appliances, stainless steel appliances. The granite is top notch. I love the waterfall edge here. Really great. You've got 4 bar stools over here, so nice breakfast, great entertaining area. In addition to that, you've got a dining area over here for 6, which is killer. And then you have this great living area. Another big screen TV. Watch the game indoors, outdoors. I mean, this right here, this square is living. You literally can see the beautiful pool from here, and the fountain, the ping pong. I think it's just great. You can't beat the location. You're right to the beach, walk to the beach, walk to the restaurants, walk to the monkeys who visit every 2 weeks. Not a bad deal. This is an exceptionally large laundry room here. I love it. It has its own access. So if you come in from the beach, which of course you're going to, you can leave all your beach stuff here, wash off, and then come into the main house. A nice broad hallway here. And of course it has beautiful artwork throughout. This is the first full bath. Really nice and modern. I love the tile, not only on the floor, but on the wall and the detail. Really beautiful. Can't beat the layout. Come on in here. This is bedroom number 1. Each of the bedrooms is going to have sliding glass doors to the outside. I love the color scheme in here. I think it's really, really great with the couch. As you can see, you have plenty of room. And then this whole wall here is your closet, which is really nice. Follow me, there's more to explore. Okay, here we are, great, nice bedroom here. Again, sliders out here. You know, if you want, you could make this space, pimp it out, as I say, and just like make it amazing. With pavers, you could put table and chairs out there. You know, I love when a home is like done and you know, you don't have to worry about anything, but if you did want to put your touch on something, that's where I would focus that, and you could really make it as artistic as you love. And every bedroom has that great outdoor space. Look at this ensuite bath. I just love it. It has dual vanities. Again, just beautiful countertops, and I love the floating vanity. I think that's a really, really nice look. Here we have bedroom number 3. Super large. Love the king size bed. Sliding glass doors. Do with that space what you want. And then of course we have an ensuite bathroom here. Just look how big it is. Again, you have dual vanities. Really nice and large. Great, great space. I think it's wonderful. This is a vacation rental home, and it does super well as a vacation rental. Of course, why wouldn't it? And I just think it's great. You know, get some bikes to the beach, you know, golf cart. I mean, this is why people want to vacation here. This is what they're looking for. So it does great as a little vacation rental, which is why we say, you know, it can pay for itself. You can have a home here in Costa Rica, it can pay for itself, and then you get to visit your fun house. Here is the huge, huge walk-in closet. They actually have a desk in there. That's how big it is, they can do work. And then you just come right out here. I like this angle too. Just everywhere you look, really beautiful. This is such a fun home in a great location. You know, a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, steps from the beach. You can't beat it with a stick, as my dad used to say. So we really love this home. This is Casa Luna. If you're interested, contact us today for more details. Ciao for now, and pura vida.